Hello boys and girls, today you are here with me, Tyler Henley, and I am here to help you learn 360 kickflips. First you want to be good at kickflips before you get into 360 flips, and then from there maybe even a varial flip, because it's like half of a 360 flip. And to get to 360 flips, yeah, you want to pretty much get it right here in the crevasse right there. Nice sweet spot. Feet right under the bolts like this if you're goofy, and these are my toes pointing that way. When you pop, you want to go right there, right off that little swoop. And then when you sling back with your foot, you're going to give it a swift kick. And then with this foot, you're going to go out this Cornelius right there. So you're going to give it a little 1-2, kind of the same time. So here, scoop, make sure you get a strong scoop. You want to be leaning back seat, but have your weight on the front just to keep your balance straight. That sucks up, and then from there, your back foot just hangs. And when it's time to come to land, go boom. And then back foot, as you're falling, comes on, land, bolts, roll away. And that, my friends, is how you 360 kickflip with Tyler Henley. Thank you.